A super popular mod when it comes to modifying your Toyota is deleting all of the chrome on it, whether it be the badges or these bumper caps right here on the rear bumper of our Tacoma. In this video, we're going to be covering up that chrome with some bumper covers from BumperShellz. So the installation of these bumper covers from BumperShellz is going to be super easy. We're just going to slip it over the original bumper cap, and then it's going to be held into the bottom with 3 clips, and then on the back with some 3M double-sided tape. So right here on the table, we have 2 different options. We have matte black and we have gloss black. In this video, we're going to be installing the matte black ones on this white Tacoma, and then we're also going to show you what the gloss black ones look like on a black Tacoma. There are more options just than these 2. If you guys want to color match them to your body paint, there are those options. Also, if your Tacoma is equipped with parking sensors, you can get these bumper covers with or without the holes to accommodate for those sensors. When it comes to tools for this job, you're not going to need much at all. A trim prying tool so that we don't mar any of the plastic, and this is also going to get off the clips on the bottom so that we can use those for the installation. And then also we're going to use some alcohol to get the surface nice and clean so that the double-sided tape sticks well. As I mentioned, the install of these is going to be very simple, so we're going to give this a 1 out of 3 on the difficulty scale. Anybody can install these on their truck. I do want to mention the gloss black does have a protective film currently on it, so once we get this installed and we remove the film, it's going to look much better. All right, so first things first, we're going to make sure everything's nice and clean. And as you can see, this Tacoma does have some tow hooks here in the back from Yota. It's not going to interfere. You can still get the caps installed perfectly fine. I have some alcohol. We're going to go ahead and spray all of this, wipe it down, make sure it's clean and dry. Now we're going to go ahead and remove those clips. We're going to have 3 on this on the bottom, and then we're going to have 1 down here as well. Using that trim prying tool, we'll go ahead and just pop down the center. These might be a little difficult to get removed if you have dirt and pebbles and stuff all crushed into the clip. It might be a pain to get the center pulled down. It's crusty. There we go. We got dirt and stuff in there. All right, so clips are out and it's clean. We can go ahead now and install this. So we're going to take the backing off for the double-sided tape, and then we'll get this into position. So when we go to install this, you can see we have this lip here that is going to be tucking underneath this black section of the bumper. That's why we took this 4th clip off, to let this move a little bit. We're going to take our trim prying tool and we're going to stick it in that divide where the chrome and black meet, and we're going to open it up a little bit to allow this to slip behind it. Tuck that in there. Now with the tow hooks, it's going to make it a little bit more difficult, but it is manageable. Run this down the side. Make sure that's up in there all the way. Stick that down. Once we have it stuck, we'll go ahead and put our clips back in. All right, so we got all 4 clips back in. If by chance you guys break any of your clips, I'll put a link in the description for an Amazon so you guys can pick up some of those. But this looks way better now with the black as compared to the chrome here. All right, we got this Tacoma all finished up. Looks way better. We're gonna go ahead now and pull in our black Tacoma and get the gloss black ones installed. All right, guys, we got the gloss black ones here on the black Tacoma, and I must say, these look really good on here. If you have a black Tacoma, I would say the gloss black is the way to go. This thing looks really good. That's gonna conclude the install here of the BumperShellz bumper covers for the 3rd Gen Tacoma. If you guys have any questions about this install, ask us down below in the comments. And if you want to pick a set of these up for your Tacoma, you can grab them from YotaXpedition.com. Link is in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.